Home remedies for dry hair. 1. Banana. Potassium and the moisturizing properties of bananas help prevent split ends, make the hair softer, and improve its elasticity. Crush a ripe banana, apply it from the roots to ends, and leave on for around 1 hour. Once the time is up, rinse your hair with warm water. Do it once a week. Another recipe is this: make a paste out of 1 ripe banana, and mix it with 1 tablespoon of almond oil, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply the paste on the hair, then rinse off after 20-30 minutes. Do it twice a week. 2. Avocado. Avocado helps retain moisture within the hair shaft, because it contains the saturated fats, vitamin A, proteins, and other minerals. Peel a ripe avocado, mash it with a spoon, then add 1 teaspoon of olive and jojoba oil, and make a smooth paste. Wash your hair, then apply the mixture from the roots to ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap, then wash off after 30 minutes with warm water. Do this mask twice a week. 3. Honey. Honey is a well-known humectant that will make your hair softer, stronger, and well-nourished. Take a half cup of honey and massage it gently onto the freshly washed hair. Put on a shower cup for 30 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Do it 2 times per week. Another way of using honey for dry hair is to mix 2 tablespoons of it with 4 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Use this mixture to condition your hair after washing. Do it whenever you feel your hair became too dry.